These are the animals that existed in ancient times and no longer exist today. And the last one, you won't believe that an animal like this ever existed. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel or comment heart if this baby penguin is adorable. Top 3. Pinta Island Tortoise. Extinct 2012. Lonesome George. The last known individual of his subspecies died in the Galapagos. Top 2. Dodo. Extinct around 1600s. The flightless bird from Mauritius was driven to extinction by humans and introduced animals. And lastly, top 1, woolly mammoth. Extinct 4,000 years ago, around 2000 BCE. Most populations disappeared 10,000 years ago.